Hi friends, welcome to English Guru YouTube channel. Now I am going to explain you some questions with answers which questions are extracted from subject verb agreement. Fill in the blanks with appropriate auxiliary verbs. A. Either of the boys has worn a medal. I have already taught you that while I teach you some rules on subject verb agreement, at that time I have explicated you either of, neither of, none of, each of, one of, the number of. If these phrases will have written at the beginning of any sentence, the verb becomes singular. B. Neither of those officers. What it will be? What will be the answer? Is efficient. And C. One of his friends is able to speak English fluently. And D. I have also explicated that if a sentence starts by using no or some, the verb becomes singular or plural. Agree with the noun. Some honey has left in the pot. Honey refers to uncountable singular noun. That's why we can use has or was also in this blank. Then E. The governor and chancellor of the university has been invited to this function. I have also explicated on this question that if there is two designation and the person is one, how can we understand this question? If a student cannot understand, he has to count how many times the is repeated. If the repeats once, the verb will be singular, and we can very easily, we can apparently understand that there is having only one person. And if the repeats twice in the sentence before the designations, two persons are there. So in this question, the governor and chancellor of the university has been invited to this function. Then F. 3/4 of the crop was damaged by the flood. If a sentence starts by using the fraction, the verb becomes singular or plural. Agree with the noun. So here crop is singular. That's why we can use singular verb, and I used was. Then G. A great deal of money has spent for his mother's treatment. If a sentence starts by using a great deal of, a good deal of, a lot of, plenty of, most of, some of, the verb becomes singular or plural. Agree with the noun. But here money is uncountable but singular. That's why I have used has in the sentence. Then H. A whole regiment of volunteers is working here. If a sentence starts by using a crowd of, a congregation of, a horde of, a regiment of, if the noun has written in plural form, the verb becomes singular there. That's why in this sentence, a whole regiment of volunteers is working here, and I have used the verb is in this blank. Then I. The number of the scholarships has increased this year. This sentence starts by using the number of. That's why I have used the singular verb has. Then last one. These days mumps is not at all difficult to cure. So we have already known that there are some nouns in English, they look like plural but they always take singular verbs, such as mathematics, physics, moms, measles, gymnastics, cards, athletics, sports, etc. So definitely we have no any hesitation, we have no any suspicion. In this way, my lovable friends, you can brush up your knowledge. Thanks a lot. May God bless you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this English Guru YouTube channel.